Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front frame assembly on the Samsung dryer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The main reason you would want to replace the front frame assembly is if it gets scratched or damaged and you want to improve the appearance of the dryer. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. Be careful as you'll be working around sharp edges. The first thing we need to do is remove the top cover, so we need access to the back of the dryer to remove the two Phillips screws. Next, place your foot at the bottom of the dryer, place your hands on the top, and pull towards you until the top cover releases. This may require some force. Now, remove these 4 Phillips screws. Next, gently lift up on the control panel to release it. Then tilt forward, being careful as it's still connected by wires. Then remove the 2 electrical connectors by depressing the locking tab, gently wiggling until it releases, and remove the wires from the retainers. Once the wires are removed, you can separate the control panel from the chassis. The front panel assembly on this dryer includes the latch holder and door switch, but does not include the door, so we'll need to remove these 2 Phillips screws. Then firmly grasp the door and lift up and out to remove. If your new front panel does not include these 2 screws, you'll need to remove them and transfer them to the new one. Now, we will remove these 4 Phillips screws. Next, remove these 2 Phillips screws beneath the door opening. Now, lift up on the panel to release it from these 2 retaining tabs, being careful as it's still connected to the door switch wire. Disconnect the wire by wiggling and pulling until it releases. Then, lift up on the panel assembly to release it from the chassis. Before discarding the old front panel assembly, document the model tag information by taking a photo of it. If you have a bad front panel assembly and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the front panel, start by aligning the slots on the panel with the tabs on the chassis. Then, tilt the panel up and reinstall the door switch wire by aligning and pushing until it seats back in place. Make sure the wires don't get pinched between the front panel and chassis. Then, push the panel until it seats back in place. Then, reinstall the 6 screws. With the hinge swung outward, we'll first need to start by aligning this screw with this opening and set the door in place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. To install the control panel, start by inserting the tabs on the panel into the openings on the chassis. Now, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors by aligning, pushing till they snap in place, and reinstall the wires into the retainers. Then tilt the control panel back in place and reinstall the 4 screws. To reinstall the top cover, make sure the rear of it, which is noted by the gray pieces, is facing the rear of the dryer. Align the top cover guides to the opening in the top cover. Continue to push forward until it locks back in place. Next, reinstall the 2 screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.